Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how to solve the connectivity drops on your keyboard Razer. So, at first to solve that, we have to make sure that we have our keyboard set to 2.5 GHz. As you can see, I don't have that. We have to pull the switch to the 2.5 GHz. It will slightly improve our connectivity. It's because we have 2.5 GHz and we have to take that dongle with us that was upside down our keyboard, and we have to plug it straight into our PC. The 2.5 GHz connection is better than the Bluetooth one, and so it will solve our connectivity issues. Apart from that, I recommend to charge your keyboard to full 100% to solve these issues. Apart from that, you can restart your keyboard or just connect your keyboard with your PC wired. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.